The day of Data Ganj Bakhsh Ali Hajveri.
The passing anniversary of Data Ali Hajveri Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh. His kunya is Abul Hasan. His name is Ali and his title is Data Ganj Bakhsh. Sayyiduna Data Ali Hajveri Rahmatullahi Alayh was born around 400 Hijri in Ghazni. His father, Sayyiduna Uthman Rahimahullah, was an eminent Islamic scholar of the era, a devout worshipper and an ascetic. His respected mother was a Husseini Sayyida. She was a worshipper and a pious lady. He Rahmatullahi Alayh was a Sayyid from both of his parents' side. So he was an epitome of both Hassani and Husseini brilliance. Sayyiduna Data Ganj Bakhsh Ali Hajveri Rahmatullahi Alayh started learning knowledge of the religion in his childhood with dedication and commitment. He Rahmatullahi Alayh kept himself so busy in learning knowledge to the extent that he did not have time to take care of food and water, nor did he know about what was happening in his surroundings. Of all the countries Sayyiduna Data Ganj Bakhsh Ali Hajveri Rahmatullahi Alayh traveled to, his aim was to meet Islamic scholars and leaders, to benefit from them and to learn knowledge from them. Now, to fulfill this aim, he paid a visit to 300 Islamic scholars of Khurasan. He Rahmatullahi Alayh not only met with Sayyiduna Khizr alayhi salam, but also remained in his company to learn outer and inner knowledge. Furthermore, he had a close friendship with Sayyiduna Khizr alayhi salam. He Rahmatullahi Alayh left for Lahore with a group of three people in total, arrived in the city after traveling very difficult paths and stayed outside of the Batti gate. With the light of Islam, he Rahmatullahi Alayh brightened the city where kufr and polytheism previously prevailed. In order to benefit the slaves of Allah Azza wa Jal, he wrote many valuable books. Their names are as follows: Minhajuddin, Diwan, Asrarul Kharq wal Ma'unat, Kitabul Bayan li Ahli al-Iyan, Bahrul Qulub, Ar-Ri'ayah bi Huquqillah, Kitab Fana wa Baqa, Sharh Kalam Mansur, Iman. And unfortunately, only Kashful Mahjoob from all of these books is easily available and accessible nowadays. According to the majority of biographers, he passed away on 20th Safarul Muzaffar 465 Hijri. His blessed shrine is located in Lahore, Pakistan, and in connection with this, Lahore is known as Markazul Awliya and Data Nagar.